Now we will discuss about the first unit, third part, that is functions. The syllabus related to that is real valued function and classification of real valued function. Before going to the syllabus, first of all, we know about the what is function. Function is a relationship of set of inputs and a set of outputs. The diagrammatic representation of function is relationship between input and output. The major rule for the function is each input is related with a unique output. That means an input to exactly one output. So every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Consider an example. This is a function because of every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. The image for 10 is 2. The image for 3 is 3. The image for 4 is 8. The image for 7 is 4. The image for 5 is 8. But in this case, element 5 has two images. Those are 4 and 7. So it is not called as function. What is the major rule for that? Every element of a set B has one and only one image in set B. No two distinct elements of B have same mapped first element. Okay. Another condition for functions is A and B are non-empty sets. So some distinct values presented in these sets. Set A is a domain. Set B is called as codomain. It is a domain. It is a codomain. In this codomain, which elements mapped with domain elements, those are called range of the function. Now coming to our syllabus, what is real valued function? The function whose range is a set of real numbers is called a real valued function. So what is the meaning of range? This is range. That means it's a subset of codomain. Which elements in the codomain mapped with domain elements, that's called range. Range is a set of real numbers is called real valued function. Consider one example. Consider the sets D and Y related to each other. That means some function shown in below. Can we consider this relation as real valued function? Set D and set Y mapped with some numbers. So in this set Y, what is the range? So all the elements mapped with domain elements. That means 7, 5, 3, 2. All are the range elements. These all elements are real numbers. So it is called as real valued function. So solution clearly. Every element in set D is related to exactly one element in set Y. So the given relation is function. First it is a function. So the range of the function consists of 2, 3, 5, 7. Hence the range of this function is a set of real numbers. So in this case the function is real valued function. Consider another example. Sets D and Y related to each other. Can we consider this relation is a real valued function? So in this set D, A, B, C, D, in set Y, K, 3, 9, 8, 6. First of all, consider is it a function or not? Clearly, every element in this set D is related to exactly one element in set Y. So, given relation is a function. It's a function. The range of the function consists of K, 6, 8, 9. So 3 is not mapped to any element in the domain. So it's not range. So k 6, 8, 9. Since k is not a real number, the range is not a set of real number. Therefore, this function is not a real valued function. The next topic is classification of real valued functions. Mainly classified into four type of functions. Those are one-to-one function, many-to-one function, on-to function, one and on-to function. So briefly explain about each function. One-to-one function, it is also known as injective function. In this function, each and every element in set A is mapped with single element in set B. That means A1 mapped with B1, A2 mapped with B3, A3 mapped with B2, A4 mapped with B4. That means 1 to 1 is for each element of A. There is a distant value for set B. So consider another example. 1, 2, 3. These three elements mapped with DCA, different elements. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4 mapped with DCBA. Similarly, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the domain mapped with 7, 9, 10, 8. So different values in set B. So another classification, many to one function. It is a function map two or more elements of set A to the same element of set B. That means A1 and A2 both are mapped with B1, A3 mapped with B3. So consider another example, 1, 2, 3 mapped with X, 4 mapped with Y, 5 mapped with Z. So in this case, 1 to 3, that means many elements in the domain mapped with single element in codomain. That means it is a many to one function. Next one is onto function. It is also known as surjective function. In this onto function, each and every element in set B is mapped with set A. Consider an example. In this case, B1, B2, B3, B4, by B5. So all the elements mapped with set A, A1, A2, A3, A4. So consider another example, X, Y, Z, W mapped with 1, 2, 3. And another example, X, Y, Z, W mapped with 1, 2, 3. 4 is did not mapped with any element in set A. So it is not called as onto function. So another classification is 1, 1 and onto function. It is also known as bijective function. In this bijective function, it satisfies both 1, 1 and onto function. So if a function satisfies 1, 1 function condition and also satisfies onto function condition, so it is known as 1, 1 and onto function. And consider an example. Here each element of set A has mapped with distant element of set B. So it is satisfied 1 to 1 function. And also every element of set B mapped with elements of set A. So it is also satisfied onto function. So it is called as bijective function. Another example. In this case, here each element of set A has mapped with distant element of set B. So it satisfies 1, 1 function. So and every element of set B mapped with elements of set A. So it is also satisfied onto function. So it is also bijective function. Another examples, it is a one-to-one function but not onto function because of element 3 is set B not mapped with any element. In this case, it is a onto function but not one function because of element 1 in set B mapped with two elements. In this case, it is a one-to-one function and onto function. So it is a bijective function. Another examples, it is not a function because of the input has two outputs, but the Bezier rule for function is an input to exactly one output. Each input is related with a unique output, but it has two outputs. So it is not a function. In this case, it is a function. It is a injective. That means one-to-one function. So A related to this point related to this point related to this point related to this. That means single point related to single point in set B. That means it is a one-to-one function. So it is a onto function because of no element live in set B. It is a bijective function. That means it satisfies both one-to-one function and onto function. Thank you.